Hello, welcome to Hevlendor Designs. Happy New Year. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this simple design art to celebrate the Happy New Year. Okay, so it's the end of 365 calendar year, and when you flip your calendar, so that concept of the flip, or what is called the page coil, so how we can achieve it in CorelDraw. So without any further ado, let's get to work. So when you launch your CorelDraw, this is what we have. You can just determine a size. So at this time, I just want to take a custom size, okay, of say 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel. Okay, so this is what I will work on. I just want to leave it in the middle of the page so you can see that. So we are looking at the text we're going to use. So it's a Happy New Year. So this is 2024. So let me use this opportunity to thank everyone who has subscribed to our channel in the past year, the year 2023. So we are in 2024. So if you're new to this channel, you're seeing this video for the first time, just subscribe. So this is what we are going to work with. All right, I just typed this out right now, and I'm using the font Sequel. Okay, so if you want to be getting resources for our videos, I'll drop the link to the community in the description below this video, so you can just connect with us in the community. I'll be dropping the links to the resources, fonts, elements, 3D elements, whatever element resources you need for designers, most especially the ones we use for our tutorials. I'm going to drop them in the community, so you join the link in the description below to be part of the community. So right now, add an outline and just take out the fill. So the concept we want to make is to flip when the page flips. So we are going to use a bizarre tool. We are flipping from here. So I'll just create a line and convert it to curve. Select the line, right click on the property bar. You can see on the property bar you have convert to curve, or you can right click and you will also see convert to curve. Now the line is already, so I change it back to line. If I click on it again, so you can see to curve when you right click. Okay, so now we can just make this concept of the flip. Okay, so just feel free to make any shape. So I'll pick the blazer tool again, add another line here. This time I convert it to curve, and I'm going to have it run from here. Okay, so convert this back to curve. Let's have this. Just want this to be this way, just like creating. I want to create the effect of the flip. All right, so having done this, this is what we need, and I'll use either any of the freehand tool to create a line. Okay, so you can see what I have done here. Just to make sure this line meets, I want to get this flip effect that we have. So just make sure that these lines meet. Okay, so this is what we have. Right now I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. Alright, so if you click, you can see it just builds the shape. So now, to make sure this works out fine, make sure the lines are intersecting at the right point. Okay, so now I'm going to actually, to help me do this faster, I would take this, delete this temporarily, and align this to this edge. So let's fill. Okay, so we can do this. And zoom in here and also fill this part. Fill this little one. Okay, so now take another color for this end. So this is going to be black. So we have this here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have, and we're also going to, with the Smart Fill tool, let's take another fill. Pick this light color, fill in here. Okay. And here, so we can do this. All right, so now can as well decide to merge this object. So let's fill in this, the letters too. So you have, okay, so now what we are going to do for these guys, I'm going to delete all of these ones. You just need the shape. So you can see what we have already. Then we have this portion of the flip. So just select, hold shift and select all the parts, and weld it together. Okay. To just weld it. There's a selection that ought not to be there. It's showing up. Okay. I can still just weld. Okay, so you select all of this and weld them together. So do the same for this portion. So now you can bring this up, change the color, so we don't need this, we don't need this, so we just need this part, this part, this part, and we wire them together. Can weld this. And weld this together. Still have the black. Okay. So we can solve this little fox here. Okay. So next thing we are going to do is we don't need all of this. Okay, so I can still use this one, just bring it up and trim off this guy so we have that better fit. So the same thing, these views we have all around here. Can just delete all of them. All you just need to do is adjust this guy to fit in here. Okay, so this is what we have. We have the letters already coming out. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, we need 2024. So for this outline, let's bring it up. I make it a white outline so you can see. At this time now, we can just still use this and just build only this portion we need. So I can delete the outline. So this is how we came about this with shape tool, visa tool. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to apply a gradient to it. Apply a gradient and that will be it. So interactive view tool, click and drag. Okay, so you pick click and drag, double click to add node. Okay, you can change this color. from what we have there. So this is what we have. So the flip is done. Then next thing we're going to do is to apply the same gradient on this other part. Okay, so we have choose any gradient of your choice. So double click on this line where the gradient field is active. You can add nodes that you can edit to fill in a color. Okay, so this I'll change to a darker shade. Okay. So this is just it. This is how you can arrive at this. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we drop new tutorials like this. Okay, so this you can actually weld in. Then to get other shadows, to make it's just looking very flat. So to give it some depth, I can use the freehand to just make a line here, another one, and with a smart fill to fill in those ends. I can delete the line, change these shapes to black, and apply transparency. Then click and drag. You can see how this gives it a more realistic look. You know, when you flip, you have the paper casting shadow. Okay, so this is it. Thank you very much for watching.